Hello there, Monique, the Empress Day Trader. Don't believe the hype, don't believe the hype, don't believe the hype. What do I mean by that? Well, when I first started trading, I did like a lot of first-time traders do. And I believed that the leading edge, the trading edge, my trading edge was purchase another indicator, purchase another software tool, trading tool, purchase a signal indicator that was going to give me the edge. And when I learned about all that, well, first of all, it ended up crowding my chart, okay? And we're going to take a look at that. And then it paralyzed me. What does that mean? That means that I was so busy looking at those indicators and looking for it to give me that moment, that crescendo moment of when to go in and take that trade, that I didn't take the trade because I was so busy looking at what is the momentum indicator? Is this being overbought or oversold? Where's the direction of the trend? How strong is this trend? And it was just way too much. It was just too much. I believe the hype. I believe the hype that, you know, if you would just buy one more indicator or purchase this tool or I believed it, I purchased it, and it didn't do any good, okay? I'm not saying that that's everyone's experience. However, for a lot of traders and for the people who I have trained and coached, that's what ends up happening. So let's take a look at how we can get over that hype, okay? All right, let's put me over here. If your chart looks like this, you're believing the hype, okay? Doesn't mean it's wrong, I'm just saying. It can get you stuck, okay? Ultimately, what matters? The only thing that matters is price action and what the market is doing in terms of price. Because here, right there, price, this is what's going on in the market. That's what matters, is where is price and how is it reacting to previous price turnarounds and continuations, okay? So, yes, these are helpers. This is the MACD, this is the ADX, this is the STO. Okay, very popular, really the most used in, let's see, retail trader environment. These are the ones that are most used. You maybe not even the ADX, but it's there. The ATR. There's a plethora of technical indicators, momentum indicators that people use to as tools or to gain that edge into when to enter the market. So, first of all, everything you need is already on your chart. Most charts come with these indicators for free and blah, blah, blah. You know, just price action. That's the only thing that matters. Have you ever seen that movie, Legend of Bagger Vance? Okay. It's when Will Smith's character was coaching Matt Damon's character on how to be great at his golfing game again, because at one point he was really great. And what ended up happening is that the Will Smith's character said, well, Bagger Vance says to him, it's just you, the ball, and your target, which is your hole. That's it. The air, the trees, the grass, the people on the sidelines, your competition, those things don't matter. The only thing that matters is that you're at one, in the zone, at one with yourself, the ball, and your target. And if you ever played a sport, you know what that means. Whether you play basketball, whether you tennis, gymnastics, it doesn't matter. Skiing. The only thing that matters is you and whatever that sport is, that tool, and your goal. That's it. Right? If you're playing basketball, The only thing that matters is you, the ball, and getting it in the hoop. Everything else, the people on the sidelines and the other players, that doesn't matter. So that's the same thing with day trading. It's you, price action, and your target and your exit. That's it. All of this stuff, MACD, ADX, STO, RSI, all these other indicators, that's just fluff, that's just commentary, it's all about price action. So what you could be doing to stay profitable in the market and to gain confidence in your trading is to focus on price action and trade price action. You can even train yourself by taking one of these off at a time, because if your chart looks like this is pivot points, this is the moving average, if you have all these stuff and more on your chart, come on, then you might want to take one of these off, and then just focus on price action, okay? Because that's where the action is, that's where your trade is. You're not trading down here, you're trading up here. So this is what my chart looks like. Very simple, right? I like to keep it simple. All that other stuff is too much. I can have that on my other screen, my other monitor. But when I'm taking my trade, I'm looking at where is price and how is the market reacting to previous price. Okay, so these are my horizontal lines. I just take the horizontal line tool and it becomes my trend line. So I'm looking at where's the high, where's the low, where did the market previously pull back and went to, pull back, where's support resistance, and you can create that with your trend lines, okay? You can take your trend line and just connect the dots. And then you say, okay, well, the market is going to react to this trend line. So when, so based on your criteria, your setup, when the market, closes below that trend line, what are you going to do? Okay? That's the market right here. Okay? You can set up your own swings where, this is a swing and you can place your trend line right there at this swing, because this is where the market came to at 46.32 and pulled it back up. All right? So don't believe the hype. I did it. I believe the hype, and I bought all these things and not even purchase. I just put even the free stuff, even the stuff that comes with your trading platform. I put all of that on my screen, and it just got me stuck. Okay, so your goal is to bring out the best of you, and the only way you can do that is get in the zone and focus on what is your strategy, and it's you, your price action, your target, and it's based on your strategy, and you stay with your strategy. And the more you do that and just zone into the market, you can zone into the market, zone in, then you'll find that your successes will be greater and more than your losses, and it'll increase and expand your confidence. All right? So, you can have your indicators, and I'm not saying not to have them, but you can have them, put it on another chart, put it like I have here, put it somewhere else, so that ultimately you're just focused on price action. That's it.